In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send reminders in DocuSign. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started with DocuSign, understanding how to automate reminders is an essential skill that can help ensure your documents are signed on time. So, let's dive right in. First off, we'll start by visiting the DocuSign homepage. Once there, you'll want to head over to the admin section. The admin section serves as the central hub for all your account settings, making it the ideal starting point for configuring reminders. Once you've accessed the admin dashboard, look for the section labeled Reminders and Expiration. Clicking here will bring you to a panel dedicated to managing your document reminders and expiration settings. Automatic reminders are a fantastic tool for following up with recipients who may have overlooked your document. As you proceed to the Reminders and Expiration page, you'll see the option to send automatic reminders. This setting allows you to configure reminders that prompt your document recipients when they haven't signed yet. It's a simple way to keep your workflow moving smoothly without having to manually check each document or follow up with each individual pending recipient. Now, let's get into the specifics of setting it all up. One of the first options you'll notice is the days before sending first reminder. Here, you'll set how many days after sending the document the initial reminder will be dispatched. Carefully consider the nature and urgency of your document. For instance, you might decide to set this to 2 days for a time-sensitive agreement or extend it a bit longer for less pressing documents. Next comes the option to define days between reminders. This parameter specifies the interval between subsequent reminders that will be sent out if the document remains unsigned. Again, your decision here should reflect the document's urgency and the volume of interactions you typically have with your signers. You might choose a shorter interval for agreements that require prompt action or extend it if recipients need more time to review the documents. Finally, once you're satisfied with your settings, don't forget to click on Save Changes. This action ensures that all your configurations are applied and the automatic reminders will function as intended. Remember, these reminders will continue to work in the background, gently nudging those recipients who might need a little reminder to sign. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've set up an efficient system within DocuSign to send automatic reminders for unsigned documents, helping you maintain a steady workflow. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to handle your electronic signatures with greater ease and efficiency. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy signing!